What if every business expense could bring you closer to free flights? Most people overlook business rewards cards, but the surprising truth is they can unlock massive value. The RBC Avian Visa Infinite Business Card earns Avian points on everyday spending. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and merchandise. Cardholders enjoy travel insurance, purchase protection, and access to airport lounges. The welcome bonus can be enough for a round-trip flight. This card is best for business owners who travel often. In conclusion, the RBC Avian Business Card is a strong choice for earning flexible travel rewards. Subscribe for more business credit card reviews. Title start Meister Task Tutorial for beginners. How to use Meister Task Review title the script start What if one simple tool could instantly make your workday feel lighter, more organized, and less stressful? Most people struggle with messy to-do lists and forgotten deadlines, but the surprising truth is that the right task manager can change everything. Today, I'm walking you through Meister Task, a popular project management app, and showing you exactly how to use it as a beginner. Meister Task is a cloud-based task and project management platform designed for individuals and teams. It uses visual boards, similar to digital sticky notes, where you can track work from start to finish. You don't need any technical experience to get started, which is why so many freelancers, students, and remote teams love it. When you first log in, you create a project. Think of a project as a workspace for one goal, like launching a website or planning a trip. Inside each project, you'll see columns called sections. Most people get this wrong, but here's why sections matter. They represent your workflow. For example, you can name them to do, in progress, and completed. Next, you add tasks. Each task is a card that can include a title, description, due date, checklist, and file attachments. You can assign tasks to teammates, add labels, and set priorities. This makes it easy to see what needs attention right now. One of the most powerful features is automation. Meister Task lets you create rules that move tasks automatically when you check something off or change a label. You won't believe how much time this saves once your workload grows. There is a free version that covers basic needs, and paid plans unlock advanced automation, reporting, and integrations with tools like Google Drive and Slack. In conclusion, Meister Task is simple, visual, and perfect for beginners who want clarity in their daily work. If this helped you, subscribe for more productivity tutorials and honest software reviews.